What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, I'm showing you like my collection of like BB gun, gel blasters, and my Nerf gun. But I don't have my gel blaster here right now. It's charging. So right now we're gonna start first.
We have two guns for later.
Yeah, no, we already shot it. We haven't shot it. Okay, we're gonna go take it to the arena right now. But this is like a signature gun right here, and then like it has a compass right here. And it's a hunting rifle. And we're gonna go shoot it. Okay. Follow us there.
Like this. Oh sh! Oh, oh.
Okay, guys, we're out here. We're gonna be shooting my gun. Right here. You can do it here. No, he's on that.
My rat box.
Okay, hold in front of me. Go that way. I'm gonna shoot somewhere. Carry. Ready? Firing. Y'all can hear that. It's a hunting rifle. It has enough power. It has, I think, but this is where like you reload the bullets right here. No, not reload it, but you reload the guns right here. And you can shoot it, ready? Firing. Shot. Okay.
Let's go.
Okay, guys, now we're gonna show you how the Nerf gun shoots. Let's go back.
We already shot in the Nerf gun.
Now we're back in my room. We're gonna get this gun. Now this is the Nerf gun from Walmart. And if you take on the stock, and reload it. Things reloaded. It has 3 bullets. Now we're gonna test this one in tight. No point in going outside. Share right. We're gonna show it here. Ready? We're gonna show it here, guys. Not outside. You have to see 2 bullets came out. Now we're gonna have my brother to stand right there. Stand there. You wanna stand there? No. Okay, I don't wanna get shot. Ready?
I went
Don't
to my
shoot the
brother.
don't shoot the cameraman.
Oh!
Okay. So yeah, y'all saw this review right here. And then what's it got? How much minutes is this? Yeah, 2 minutes.
Okay.
So okay, and then this like the Nerf gun I like. It comes with like a lot of attachments. As this here, as this right here.
We used to have a BB gun, but we sold it or gave it away.
No, I think we used to have BB guns, but like they broke.
And then another one, the full auto.
And then yeah, I think I'm ordering one right now. If y'all didn't see the first video of mine, I'm ordering one.
And then I'm ordering a pistol. Is it coming there too?
Yeah, and then like a bit, like it's a lot of good stuff for y'all.
But when I unbox it, stay tuned.
Yeah, stay tuned. We're not gonna give too much details. We're not gonna give it away. If we tell y'all, you're not gonna be excited for the videos. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Shoot the lens. Is it loaded? Ready?
Hey, no.
No, I'm shooting. Okay. Thank you for watching. Make sure to stay BB Gun Bros.